Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. See about how to install Golang software tool on Ubuntu 16.4. First of all, Golang is an open source programming language developed by team.google. It's provide easy to build simple, reliable and efficient software. This language is designed for writing server, that is why it's using widely these days. Every time you have to update the operating system before you have to install any software. The updation process has been going on. After updating system, you have to download the Golang software using the URL. This is a URL to I am getting a software. I am already download the software from this using a URL. Now I am going to download file having a directory /home user downloads. This is my download file for the Golang software tool. Now I am going to extract the software using a command of tar -xvf go. The extraction process has been going on. After extraction, you have to install into the desired location on the system. For this tutorial, I am installing it under /user/local directory. Now I am going to move a go file into the /user/local directory. Move go into /user local. Then I am going to set up for a Golang environment. You have to set a go root is a location where Go package is installed on your system. Export go root /user. Here we have to mention the package will be installed on your system path local go. Then we have to set the go path of location for the Golang software. This is a location of your working directory. First you have to create a directory for working directory of Golang software. -p projects inside project 1. Then I'm going to set the location path of working directory. Export go path projects project 1. After set the environment, you have to verify the installation. At this step, you have successfully installed and configured Go language on your system. First, use the following command to check the Go version. Go version. It will be so the what are the version you have to install the Golang software tool. Then you have to check it out the environment configuration for the Golang software. Go env. It will be so the what are the configuration you have to configure on the Golang software tool. Here it will be the go root path configuration for a Golang software. These are all the installation and configuration for the Golang software. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.